Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by minimizing further damage. Close the browser and disconnect from the web. This prevents new files from overwriting history entries. Next, find the browser profile folder. For Windows, check appdata/local or appdata/roaming. On Mac OS, check ~library. This is where SQLite history files live. Once located, install a trusted file recovery utility and immediately create a disk image or backup. Make sure to scan the image, not the live drive, to preserve recoverable fragments. Now perform a deep sector-level scan against the disk image, targeting common browser files like SQLite databases, LDB or log files and cache. DAT files, this recovers deleted fragments. Once the scanner finds candidates, export recovered database files to a safe folder and check their integrity. Partial headers or corrupt pages must be handled carefully. Then open valid SQLite files with a database browser or export tables to CSV. This lets you inspect visit timestamps, URLs, and titles without altering the originals. Finish by extracting the meaningful records. Sort visit time columns to rebuild chronological history and adjust for time zone offsets. Compile URL, title, and visit count fields into a restore import or report. To restore to a browser, import into a new clean profile, or use extension tools that accept CSV, make sure to test on an isolated account first. If files are corrupted or scans yield nothing, try different recovery engines. Re-image the drive or escalate to a forensic specialist. This often resolves stubborn recoveries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.